Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your English literature session. Today we are going to start the new story, A Day in London. Now open your books. Gran come to stay. The children ran to meet her. Hooray, said Kipper. I love when Gran comes to stay. She is good fun. The children were very excited when their Gran visited to their house, or when she came to their house for staying. They are very excited because they have a lot of fun with her. She bought pres- she bought present for everyone. She gave mom and dad an ornament. Kipper had some little golf club, and Biff and Chip had a keyboard. Thanks, Gran, said everyone. Now she brought presents for everyone. She gave uh, ornament to mom and dad, and she gave Kipper some golf club, and Biff and Chip had a keyboard, and everyone said thanks to her. I have another surprise for you, said Gran. She gave the children some funny looking parcels. What they are, asked Kipper. Boomerang, said Gran. So she said that I have another surprises for you, and she gave children some funny looking parcels. So the keeper asked what they are. She said that they are boomerang are like a frisbee. Boomerangs are like a frisbee. The children wanted to see how boomerang worked. Gran took them outside. She threw a boomerang and it whizzed through the air. Look out, shouted Gran. So she went out and showed them how it's work. See, and she threw so hard that it hit the dog. Now Kipper wanted to play with the golf clubs. Gran showed him what to do. She hit the ball, but she hit it too hard and it smashed a window. Oh dear, said Gran. So Kipper wanted to play with a golf club, and Gran showed him what to do. She hit the ball so hard that it smashed a window. Okay. Next day, Wilf, Wilma, Nadim, and Anina came to play. Biff and Chip showed them the keyboard. Grand had an idea. Let's have a band, she said. Next day, their friends came to visit their house, and they show a keyboard to them. And then the Grand has idea. Let's make a band, musical band. The band made a lot of noise, and the children had a good time. Whatever will Gran do next, said Dad. She worse than the children, said Mom. So what they made a band, and they make a lot of noise. The children are the children have had a good time. So the dad said, what will Gran do next? So mom said she is bad than the children, means she make a lot she is like a kid, you may say. Okay. Gran had promised to take the children on an outing. She said Nadim and Anina could go too. I will take you to London, she said. So Gran promised to the children to take them to the London, and she take and Nadim and Anina go with them. And look after Gran, said mom as they got into the car. uh, Try to stop her getting into trouble. We will do our best, said Biff, but it won't be easy. So when they are getting in the car, their mom said that look after her, look after the granny, because and try to stop her getting into trouble. So Biff said that it's not an easy job, but I try. We will try. Uh, When they got to London, Gran parked the car. Now we will take the tube, said Gran. It's the best way to get around. When they went to the London, they parked the car and they go into the tube. Tube is underground train. In London, there are a lot of tubes. Tubes mean underground train. A lot of underground tubes, and its tubes is called underground train, and it's the best way to get around. It's the best way to go everywhere. There were lots of people waiting on the platform. When the train came in, everyone rushed to get on. Now I know why it is called a tube, said Anina. Everyone gets squeezed. So there were a lot of people waiting on the platform. a lot of people waiting there, and when the train came in, everyone rushed to get in. Everyone wants to get in. Now Anina said that now I know that why it's called tube, that everyone gets squeezed, everyone wants to get in the tube. See, they went to Trafalgar Square. On the top of column was a statue of Nelson. I would not like to be up there, said Biff. I don't like heights. This the place is called Trafalgar Square, and there's a column at the top of the column. You can see see the statue, and this is the statue of Nelson. So Biff don't like to go up there because she don't like heights. She has a height phobia. There were a lot of pigeons in Trafalgar Square. Gran brought some nuts. The children fed the pigeons. Oh, help, said Nadim. I don't know that pigeons were too greedy. See, in Trafalgar Square there were a lot of pigeons, and Gran bring nuts for pigeons, and the children feed the pigeons. Okay, but the pigeons were too greedy. They went to Buckingham Palace. This is where the Queen lives, said Grant. It is enormous, said Anina. The Queen must be busy with all the rooms to clean. Then they went to Buckingham Palace where the queens live, and it's enormous. Enormous means it's very big, or you may say it's very huge. And Anina said that the queen must be busy to clean all the rooms. A big car drove past, and everyone cheered and waved. See, the car is passing, and everyone is going to wave and cheer. The children couldn't see who was there in the car. The children couldn't see that who was in the car. Perhaps it's the queen, said Biff. Maybe it's queen inside the car. Grant took them on a boat. They went under Tower Bridge. The children were excited because the bridge began to open. The Grant take them to the boat, okay, and the children were very excited because the bridge begins to open. See, these are the tower, and the bridge begins to open. Okay, for today till here we continue the story in the next class. Allah Hafiz.